Okay, folks, here we go. This is Big Jim here at Big Jim's Realm. The only time I post videos is when I find something that I think might be helpful to others, and therefore I don't post a whole lot of videos. But here's one that I think is helpful. My wife comes home with the car, 2023 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid. Pulls in the driveway, goes to put it in park. So she pulls in and the car is like this. This thing here is called an E-shifter. So the E-shifter is like that. She hits park, nothing happens. It stays in drive and it loses its mind. So she comes in and she says, the car is acting crazy. So I come out, I get outside, the car is on and it's stuck in drive. So I push the park button a bunch, nothing. I turn it on and off, nothing. I'm like, great, the car has lost its mind. So what do? I get online, I say my Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid is stuck in drive. So of course you see all kinds of stuff, and one thing that I saw that made sense to me was a dude said, remove and replace the fuse for the E-shifter. I'm like, oh, okay, the E-shifter. So, come out, pop the fuse box. Sorry, one-handed. It is. Look in there. I'm like, okay, E-shifter, E-shifter. So I see that thing, it says E-shifter, the 30 amp. So I look in here, it's supposed to be right there. I don't see it. It's got this big black thing. I'm like, oh, that's not it. So I was scratching my head, get back in here. I'm like, oh, there's another one, E-shifter, 10 amps. So I look down here, it's 3 10 amp fuses in a row. The second column here, 1, 2, 3. There it is. Yeah. Second one down, E-shifter. They have a handy dandy fuse removal tool right there. They have spare fuses right there. I go in, I yank the second one down, pull it out. I look at it. It looks pretty good, but I'm like, I'm going to replace it. So I pull the old spare out. Pull this one out, put the spare one in, go back in, and everything works. So if your Kia plug-in hybrid gets stuck in drive and loses its mind, switch out the E-shifter 10 amp fuse. That's it. Fixed. I'm happy. Wife's happy. Kia's running. So, hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.